you're creating links, for your sales page or your lead magnet, whatever that is, sometimes I don't like having here. Let me click it so you see what I'm saying. So you see, you're supposed to add a URL of where you want to send people. So instead of having it in different box, this one, and let me see another one, and this one, and this one, I just add jump link, which is this. Okay, so let's do it. So you see, because right now on this lead gen form, I already have where I want to send people. So right now we're just gonna go all the way up, click on this, jump link, click the select target. Let's go all the way down to the lead generation form and click on this section, this block, and click add jump link. So that's the target. I'll do the same thing for the next one. Jump link, select target, so just here, add jump link. Okay, so what happens is when you click this, it just goes all the way, just send people direct here. So we're going to test it out. Make sure you have the smooth animation checked. It's going to make it easy and smooth to transition. Okay, so let me save this page and then go to this and refresh this page. Let me make sure it's saved already. Okay, let's see what happens. See, it goes straight to this page, like this box here. So you don't have to have the same link, in here and here again. So let's click here and see what happens. It just take you down. All right, so you just have one link, all right, to link this up. So all right, guys, that's it. And if you want a free blueprint to start a legal business, hey, you know what to do. Click to download. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.